Come out of the car.
Don't.
The vehicle has to get towed.
Don't tense.
Stop! Stop! What is wrong with you people? Stop! Stop!
Don't tense.
Oh, sorry. You just have to do tags. What's going on, ma'am? What happened? 101. What's going on?
I'm calling my boyfriend.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
Lawrenceburg. Literally, like, right there.
You have your life insurance on you?
So it just sits there.
Alright, can you grab it?
No, there's a no.
You got second today. We just came from one.
But this, yeah, she's roughing me. She did get out. Yeah, I know. And she did get out, and she was like, she basically was like standing up holding on to me.
What happened here?
What's the year?
You have your driver's license? Not yet. I'm still waiting on her. Yeah, but in a minute. Let's deal with the... What happened here? Hey, Lindsay, just stay with her.
Ela bateu.
Look, ma'am, do you speak English?
No.
Hey, do any of you guys speak Spanish? Do they speak Spanish? So I'm guessing, ask them if the bus was stopped and they were stopped behind it.
You guys speak Spanish or Portuguese?
Português. Português and
But you can speak Spanish, okay.
So ask them what happened. Was the bus stopped?
Nosotros estaban atrás de claro, y ella nos pegó.
So she hit rear end them and they pushed them into them.
Was the bus stopped?
Was the bus stopped?
Estaba parado.
Or was the bus moving?
Bem devagar. Lento.
Okay.
On April 20th, 2023 police respond to a chaotic crash scene involving a suspected intoxicated driver, and the confusion is immediate. Officers ask simple questions, but the driver is distracted calling her boss instead of explaining what happened. Witnesses slowly piece it together. A bus slows in the right lane, the car behind it brakes, then another vehicle plows into them both without warning. A language barrier complicates everything, forcing officers to translate on the fly as tension builds. The driver steps out unsteady, then backs away. No license, no clear answers as the noise fades and the facts settle. The footage reveals how one delayed reaction can turn an ordinary drive into a dangerous chain of
He was
events.
going slow, so maybe he had just pulled off.
So the bus was slow. How
Yes.
fast were they going?
How fast were you? ¿A qué estaba manejando? Sí, pero ¿a cuánto? 45, 40,
Menos.
30? Menos, like 25.
So
They're going like 25.
and they're in the right lane.
Yes.
Fala para que eu pensei que ele ia parar e eu mantive lento. Ela pensou que ele ia parar.
Yeah, I understood. So they thought that the bus was going to stop.
Yeah.
So then they slowed down, and that's when the car slammed into them, and they slammed into the bus.
All right. Okay. And she hasn't gotten out of the car yet.
She got out while I was there because I told her to get out, and she yeah.
Ask them if
Wow.
there's anyone else in the car with her.
¿Alguien estaba en el carro con ella o estaba sola?
Com ela, no.
¿Sola?
Creo que estaba
They didn't see anybody out there. She was by herself.
Licencia?
Got the registration, no license.
She has no license?
Registration for her.
Huh?
She doesn't have a driver's license.
She smashed into this and then goes the guardrail.
Hello.
Ma'am,
Hi. I'm Officer Mendes. How you doing?
she didn't provide you her license yet? Her deal yet?
Can you tell me what happened? What? How? What happened?
Ma'am, let her. Ma'am, we're over here.
I'm not talking.
No worries. Talk to me. All right?
No, I'm
That's fine. She stepped away. What's your name again? Excuse me. What's your name? Ma'am. Hello? You need some help?
Sure.
Here, come outside real quick.
No.
Step out of the car. Listen.
No.
We're done with the traffic crash.
No.
I'm conducting a DUI investigation.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Can you cooperate with my investigation?
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me, okay?
No.
The investigation wraps up. Officers shift their focus to the driver still sitting inside the damaged car. They ask for her name, offer help, ask her to step out. She refuses. Calm instructions turn firm as the reality sets in. The airbag deployed. The vehicle must be towed, and staying inside is no longer an option. The tension rises with every second. She resists reaching back into the car as officers warn her to stop. They explain they're trying to keep everyone safe, but patience is running thin. What began as cooperation unravels into defiance, forcing officers to assert control. In moments like this, hesitation disappears and authority takes over to prevent the situation from spiraling further.
Should I video this?
I'm videoing, okay? Go ahead and step out of the car.
Ma'am, come out of the car.
Don't.
The vehicle has to get towed.
Don't tense.
Ma'am,
Get out of the car, okay?
your airbags went off. The vehicle has to be towed. Come out of the car.
You have to come out of the car, okay?
Step out of the car.
Just step out. I'm just trying to help you because I don't want you to reach over there and grab something.
Please do not.
I'm going to let go of you, but you're going to come out. Is that good?
Okay.
All right.
Come out.
Come on.
Ma'am, don't start reaching in your car.
Let's go. Let's go. Or I'm going to pull you out. We're out of options now.
Ma'am, step out of the vehicle like you were earlier.
Come on.
What?
Get out of the vehicle like you were earlier.
Listen.
Step out of the car.
Listen. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Stop. Step out of your car.
She's distracted.
Okay.
Tell her to stop. Lindsay,
I need to pause.
ma'am,
I'm not.
please step out of your car.
No.
The vehicle is going to be towed. You have to come out of the vehicle.
I'm fine with that, but
You can't be in the car when it's getting towed.
I need to call someone.
All right, you'll have an opportunity for that in a second.
No,
But you have to
listen.
come out. You don't have the option to stay in the car.
No, officer.
Nope.
Stop.
Stop. Relax.
No.
You were calm before. Relax. I spoke to you earlier. You were very calm.
Yeah, I
Let's
was.
get back to that. Let's get back to that how we were before. I don't know why you're getting all hyper and some of that. All right.
Can we pick it back up, please? Nice and calm, right? Listen, like I explained, we're done with the crash. I'm investigating for possible driving under the influence. You understand that? Before I do that, I gotta read you some things, okay? I just need a yes or no. You understand? All right. I'm required to warn you before you make any statements. Listen to me. Can you pay attention? Give me a second. Ma'am, before you make any statements, you have the following constitutional rights.
I know I have the right.
All right, I just gotta explain it to you, okay? And
I
this is
know.
only-
Ma'am, just listen to him.
No,
This is only
As officers attempt to reset the tone, they slow everything down, urging calm and cooperation. The investigation has shifted. This is no longer about the crash, it's about a possible DUI. The officer explains the process carefully, trying to read her constitutional rights, not to accuse her, but to protect her. Still, she interrupts, argues, and refuses to acknowledge what's being said. Each sentence meant to clarify only adds to the tension. She wants to call a friend. The officer just needs a yes or no. What should be routine becomes strained and circular, revealing how quickly confusion and resistance can derail a simple legal safeguard meant to ensure fairness in moments like this.
I want
Just listen to what he has to
No,
say.
This is
no,
only to protect
no.
you. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand? You understand?
Hey, go on the path inside. Make sure she's not reaching for nothing.
You have the right to remain silent and not answer
No.
any questions. Do you understand that?
No,
What don't you understand about it?
I would like to read. my
We
friend.
have to get through this, okay?
Okay,
You're gonna
I know
Okay.
that you're
Relax.
good.
Let's relax. Let's relax.
No,
We're just talking. We're just
no.
talking right now.
No, we're not talking.
We are talking. I'm trying to have a conversation with you. But I need to read this to you so you're protected.
Listen.
You understand that?
And I know what I'm projecting.
Without me reading your rights, you don't have these constitutional. I need to know that you understand you have these constitutional rights, okay?
Well, I know that I have these constitutional
Look, you have the right to remain
rights.
silent and not answer any questions. You
I
understand
don't
that?
agree with that. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that.
I just need to know that you understand with it.
I don't agree with
Any
that.
statement
I
you
don't
make-
agree with that.
Now just listen to him.
Must be freely and
I
voluntarily.
don't agree with it.
Okay, just listen.
I don't
You have the
agree
right
with
to the
it.
presence and representation
I don't
of a lawyer
agree with it.
of your choice before you make any statement and during
I
any
don't
question.
agree with it.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer. Any statements and during any questioning. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Any statement can be and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights as I have read them to you?
No.
Are you just saying no because you don't agree with it or you don't understand them? Do you understand the rights?
No.
What don't you understand?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
I don't understand.
I need a
I don't understand.
so I can explain.
I don't understand.
I want to be able
I
to
don't understand.
Let's bring it
Don't
down.
put your fucking eyes up. I don't give
I
a
want to
fuck.
be able to look at you.
You're not looking at me.
What don't you understand so I can help you understand it?
The exchange grows more strained as the officer finishes reading her rights, carefully explaining each line, and asking one simple question: does she understand? The answer never comes. Instead, confusion turns into frustration, and frustration into open hostility. She says she doesn't agree, says she doesn't understand, demands to call someone. The officer tries again, keeping his voice level, identifying himself, explaining the process. Explaining that no one is trying to send her to jail, but the moment he asks about drinking, the tension spikes. She's annoyed, angry, defensive. What should be a routine safeguard becomes a breaking point, showing how quickly resistance and fear can turn a lawful investigation into a standoff, captured frame by frame as patience wears thin.
Give me my free will.
You understand your rights then?
No.
How am I going to get help you to understand them?
Give me my boyfriend.
All right, you're going to have an opportunity to talk to him.
No, I need them. I need
have
them
to deal
right
with this
now.
right now, okay?
No.
Are you ready to come out of the car so we can continue talking?
No. I know what this crap is.
Is this car in your name?
Yes.
You're the registered owner?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
Erica.
Erica. Okay, Erica. I'm Officer Mendez, okay? Like I explained to you. Erica, I'm just trying to have a
I
conversation.
don't care what your name is. I'm not trying to go to jail. Like,
How would you go to jail?
I'm not trying to. I'm not.
Why would you go to jail?
I'm not trying.
What is it? Did you have any drinks today? Did you have anything to drink today? Before you drove? Erica,
What?
did you have any drinks today?
No, I'm annoyed.
Why are you
I'm
annoyed?
super fucking
Well,
annoyed.
we have to go through this process, okay?
Why? Why?
I'm not going to be able to go anywhere because I'm investigating for driving under the influence.
Well,
okay, after the
investigate.
crash. That's what I'm trying to do, but you're not helping me.
What do you want from me?
Did you have any drinks today?
No.
Okay.
What do you want? What else do you want?
Have any medical conditions that you suffer from?
No.
Alright. Did you hit your head at all today?
No.
Okay. Would there be a reason why you hit the car in front of you?
No.
Do you want to conduct some field sobriety exercises for me so that I can determine whether you are under the influence of
No,
anything?
sir.
You don't want to do them?
No.
Alright. If you don't do them, then I have to end my investigation based on the information that I have right now. With that in mind, would you want to do the field sobriety exercises? suspicion of driving under the influence.
Stop,
okay?
stop,
Come out of the car.
Listen, you're
Come out of the car now.
come out.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
All right.
What is wrong with you people? Stop! Stop!
Don't tense.
Stop!
Relax, relax. Let's sit down, Erica. Sit down. Listen, like I explained, under arrest for suspicion of driving under the influence.
Okay, that's fine. Stop!
Yeah, let me do it right.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Right here. Right there. Right now.
Just gonna pat you down, Eric.
Get this off my
Do you have a license in the car?
Get this off
Can't
my
find it. I've been looking for her the whole time.
Erica, relax for me. This isn't helping, okay?
Do you have anything on you, Erica, that's gonna poke or stick me?
Stop it. Don't do that. You're gonna get another charge.
I don't give a
Good?
Follow you to bat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's take a trip.
Alright.
step for.
Yeah.
The spare. Yeah. She got the camera on.
Yeah.
Yep.
Does she have a purse or anything in there? There's a bottle.
The moment patience runs out, the situation changes fast. After denying alcohol use and refusing field sobriety tests, the officer explains the consequence clearly. Without cooperation, the investigation ends here. She's placed under arrest for suspicion of DUI, and the calm dissolves into resistance as officers work to regain control. By the end of the night, she's charged with DUI and battery on law enforcement and appears in court the next morning, where a judge finds probable cause and sets bond. But the story doesn't end there. Weeks later, prosecutors quietly unravel the case. The felony charge is dropped, the DUI reduced, and by summer the bond is refunded. A reminder that arrests make headlines, but outcomes tell the real story.